Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. Bitcoin, guys, is not letting up. Check this out. Bitcoin has, well, really close, almost breached $100,000 per coin. Right now we're at 99,800, or not right now, but yesterday Bitcoin almost did hit that price. It did move back down in the $98,000 range. And guys, this is the hourly chart for Bitcoin, by the way. It's it's looking like it's moving back up, trying to breach that psychological level of $100,000. And despite the fact that Bitcoin has done fairly good over the last, well, fairly good is an understatement, very good over the course of 2024. I mean, this is the weekly chart, but, even if we just take Bitcoin from January 2024 right in here, you can see Bitcoin has, surged quite a bit. There was a bit of a lull period in and around here. The fact of the matter is now XRP has outperformed Bitcoin in 2024. This courtesy of blockchain backer here on Twitter. So check this out, guys. And it only took, a couple of weeks? XRP has now technically outperformed Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up 133.95%, as you guys can see from this chart. And XRP is up over 149.5%. So XRP technically the winner in 2024. I mean, all things considered, we've been waiting quite a long time for this. Let's bring up the XRP chart. This is the weekly chart. Boy, okay, we've got a lot to talk about for XRP today. Let me throw this on the 5-minute for you guys, just to show you guys where we are in terms of, the minute-to-minute movements for XRP. So yesterday, again, this is the 5-minute chart. So over the course of Friday, we did hit $1.50. I threw a Fibonacci on here because we did dip down as low as $1.35. So I was wondering at this point in the game if we were going to retrace at the 0.702 or the 0.786. We got up to the 0.78. We actually breached the 0.786. We did come back down to the 0.382. And, at this point, I thought, okay, maybe this is it. Maybe there's going to be a significant retracement for XRP at this point in time. Well, clearly that was not the case. XRP actually did make it up to the 1.618, and now we're just kind of trending in this area here. So this Fibonacci is now invalidated. I'm just going to move this Fibonacci over and bring it up to here. So, and that was the other thing I was going to mention. The $1.41 mark in and around here, that was former resistance, now forming new support. So we bounced off that level in there. And again, that was Friday. If I zoom out on this chart, you guys can see that that blue line there, that was former resistance from back in September of 2021, okay? After Bitcoin did hit that inter-year high of $1.96, $1.97, it did try to reach back up, get back up to new all-time highs, but of course that was the 0.618 before it retraced down further and we were in a bear market. So guys, throwing this back on the 5-minute, let me just get over here, throwing this back on the 5-minute, and to show you guys where we are now, to show you guys that we are now bouncing off that level. So we are forming support, and now we're much higher off that level too. So it's looking fairly positive at the moment. I mean, we could still break down. I mean, I'm hoping we don't, and continue to form support. I mean, hopefully we don't break past this level now. Hopefully we do form support and maintain that level. But guys, XRP looking very, very healthy. It is performing better than Bitcoin according to the blockchain backer. And the entire market is actually looking very strong right now. Fear and greed at 88, we got Bitcoin dominance down a little bit to 58.06%. Volume's actually down too by about 4.7%. But guys, look at that. Market cap is up 3.36 trillion, $5 trillion incoming very, very soon. Over the last 7 days, many cryptocurrencies have gained quite a bit of steam. Bitcoin up over 8%, Ethereum up over 7%, Solana's up over 17.6%, BNB coin up over 6.8%, guys. XRP, though, up 45.27% in the last 7 days and over 10% in the last 24 hours alone. So we are gaining steam. XRP has now hit the 0.786 Fibonacci. This level could not break last cycle on the weekly closing basis. Once we break this on the weekly close, all-time high is almost inevitable in my opinion. Things are starting to get very crazy. So this is the XRP chart, guys, on the weekly here, and the charting guy is just showing us that the 0.786, that is now on the weekly chart. That is now we have approached that. So if we do close above that, so again, just looking back on this XRP chart, if we do close above that all-time high incoming, or at least getting back up to the former inter-year high that we saw back in 2021. He is saying new all-time high, in my opinion, targeting around $4 to $5, but my main target is $8 to $13 with a $14 to $26 possibility in the future. And if you guys want to know what my targets are, I'm starting to roll them out. I just posted the first update over there at patreon.com/workingmoney channel, giving you guys the outline of how I'm looking at targets. It is a $5 a month subscription, but that price is going to be going up. So if you guys want to follow me throughout 2025, because guys, this is just the beginning, you can find that for only $5 right now. And if you stay subscribed, you will be grandfathered in at that $5 price point. For the new subscribers, they're going to be paying more. This is a really exciting time. Getting our ducks in a row is imperative. Credible Crypto posting this, and that, ladies and gents, is a crystal clear 5-wave impulse move, subwaves on all XRP. So guys, more to suggest XRP looking super, super bullish right now, reaching that $1.56 mark. So this absolutely confirms the bottom was 49 cents. It means that if we move below, so this is critical, guys, if we move below $1.05, then it means that we could see a larger second wave correction underway before the next impulse move. If we hold above $1.05, though, that could mean this fifth subwave is extending, which could mean we see over $2 before any major pullback. So all eyes are on XRP. It is one of the best performing cryptocurrencies in the market right now. So much speculation is going on in crypto, including a coveted $1 million Bitcoin. What could this mean for altcoins? Guys, if we get to 1 million, I don't think it's happening this cycle, but I wanted to play you guys this because this is where crypto is going overall.
So many things happening at the same time. Obviously, the election was a big catalyst here, and the markets have spoken, and you can see that that's been very positive for the market. We were watching on the way over here, right? Bitcoin ticking. We said, is it going to be 100,000 right now? And we remember the celebrations we had when it was at 1,000 and at 10,000. And now here we are about to be at 100,000. And I think at some point, not too far in the distant future, we're going to be thinking about $1 million Bitcoin price. And really, it's just a confluence of everything happening all at once.
It is. It's a confluence of everything happening all at once. And, the stars are aligning, as they say. Anthony Welfare here on Twitter posting this. As I said a few weeks ago, the best things come to those who wait. Enjoy the ride and catch up to where XRP rightly belongs. Now, if you guys don't remember, Anthony Welfare, by the way, if I just scroll up here, this is his LinkedIn profile, but if you guys don't remember, he did used to work for Ripple. He did leave back in June of 2024, but he's still bullish on XRP. On September the 21st, 2018, so before he even worked for Ripple, I took a screenshot and XRP was number 2 in market cap. Can we overtake Ethereum this time? So right now, as of the time of this screen grab, it was at $1.46.5. And at this point, XRP did actually manage to get above Ethereum. So many theories are circulating regarding XRP and how well it could do this bull run. And again, guys, if you want to follow my strategy, and it's a fluid strategy, we don't really know where XRP is going to go. And I'm going to be making moves based on what I think is happening moment to moment. That depends on real world utility. That depends on many different factors. But again, patreon.com/workingmoneychannel if you're interested. We can see even from the Grayscale Trust, guys, XRP is number 1. Check this out from Chad Steingraber. XRP listed number 1, returns to date 139.6%. So, a pretty good move, I think, on behalf of Grayscale there. We 100% have witnessed the Flip the Switch event. This coming from Nick Crypto Crusader here on Twitter. What exactly was that event? It was the complete 180 that happened since the election. I feel like, change is in the air, and because former President Donald Trump is going to be the next president of the United States, I think personally, and Nick also thinks this entire space has changed. The real Flip the Switch event was the destruction of the anti-crypto agenda and the acceptance that this asset class has massive amounts of potential tied to it. Everything seems to have changed overnight. XRP is now trading over $1.40. XLM is going parabolic. HBAR also did surge. You can even throw in ADA, XDC, Algorand, and many others too. Did you notice something though? Most of these large gainers are utility projects. So a very interesting observation here. The same projects that have been laughed at and ridiculed for years. Something has changed. It's the fact that regulatory moves are beginning in a large way, and it feels like we are on the cusp of the US becoming a crypto hub. I will say one thing, I'm extremely happy to see that all of you had patience and stayed determined through all the noise, and that we are winning. So guys, the utility projects finally taking off. It really is a matter of time. 2025 could bring something very, very exciting for many utility coin holders as well. The utility coins are obviously the focus of a lot of these projects worldwide. Wrath of Kahneman posting this with regards to Ripple partner Express Money in the UAE. They partnered with NCBA Bank to expand diaspora remittances. So this was from earlier this month. This collaboration with NCBA Bank aims to expand their financial services, making it easier for the diaspora customers to send and receive money across Express Money's global network. Here's a quote, guys. As a customer-centric institution, we are thrilled to embark on another strategic partnership to assist our customers in the diaspora in making safe and fast transactions with a trusted brand. This partnership aligns with our strategic goals to be the leading bank for the Kenyan diaspora. Together, we aim to increase remittance volumes and provide value to both senders and receivers. So a big update here when it comes to XRP utility. However, Wrath of Kahneman says he's not entirely certain that Express Money is still a RippleNet user. They were before. They were formerly a Finabler user, and Finabler was a co-partner of Ripple. Travelex, Unimoney, UAE Exchange. I would wager to guess that any of these companies that are based in the UAE, they would be still Ripple partners, just because the regulatory environment there has been clear for a while. When Finabler ended, though, Wiz Financial retained Express Money, so it could have been maybe a merger thing that maybe dissolved the partnership, or why the partnership did dissolve. Nevertheless, guys, we're still seeing cross-border remittance services thrive in places like the UAE and Africa. So I wanted to thank the Wrath of Kahneman for posting that. I also happen to see this, guys, with regards to Ripple partner Thunes. They've partnered with GC Cash for digital wallet services. So Thunes is a payment platform partnered with GC Cash, a financial app based in the Philippines. This is allowing GC Cash users to add funds to their digital wallets from the UK and European bank accounts, according to the press release. This service is designed for Filipino expatriates who live in European countries to send money back home through digital wallet remittances. Thunes aims to improve financial inclusivity and improve the lives of Filipinos. And guys, here's a quote. We are delighted to be a member of the Thunes Direct Global Network to enable Gcash users to top up their accounts instantly from their overseas bank accounts. This service will support hundreds of thousands of Filipinos in the UK and Europe by improving how they move money across borders into their digital wallets with better control over their finances. So this is, a big pain point, has always been a big pain point. Ripple partners, though, to the rescue here. In this case, Thunes partnering with Gcash to help the Filipino people send money back home. And for those of you guys who do not know, the Philippines already widely uses Ripple and XRP. So great news there coming from the Thunes camp, guys, out of the European Union. But we really got to get this show on the road. The United States is moving closer to crypto adoption, and Donald Trump making moves. I mean, 80% of this is going to be appointing the right people too, right? Sounds very promising, says Anders. Eleanor Turret's information is usually spot on. I wouldn't be surprised to see crypto making another hard push to the upside when a new SEC chair is confirmed. So, just the other day we heard news that Gary Gensler officially has put in his resignation. And if you guys didn't catch that video, I will link it up here in the top right-hand corner. Anders continues by saying, and if it's Brian Brooks, we can expect a full send, in my opinion, especially for XRP, since he's pretty much confirmed he would settle the Ripple case almost instantly. So he was retweeting out Eleanor's tweet. Now that Donald Trump has named Scott Bessent for Treasury Secretary, it's only a matter of time until we get the nominations for financial regulatory positions, including the NEC director, the SEC, and the CFTC chairs. For the SEC chair, Charles Gasparino and I have learned that former SEC commissioner under President Bush, Paul Atkins, is the lead horse right now, but some are speculating that it could be Pam Bondi's nomination for Attorney General, and that may give her brother, a white-collar defense lawyer, at Paul Hastings, Brad Bondi, a fresh edge for the role. So there are some other murmurings there. We're also learning that Trump's former OCC acting director, Brian Brooks, is pushing for a position and met with officials in Trump's world this week. So guys, it's looking very promising that Brian Brooks could in fact get a spot in there. Trump's transition team is looking to make the SEC pick a person who is crypto friendly, and all three candidates above fit that bill. And I have my opinions on Brian Brooks personally. I think he's a really good suggestion. In terms of Trump's pro-crypto pick, this is hedge fund manager Scott Bessent, okay? If the Senate confirms him, the next person whose signature adorns U.S. paper currency will be a fan of the digital currency ecosystem set up to replace the conventional financial system. Bessent runs Key Square Group, a macro investing firm. He has also worked for prominent investors like George Soros, 3 decades ago, and was, according to the Wall Street Journal, one of the driving forces behind Soros Fund Management's famous bet that netted them more than $1 billion in profits. But guys, he's bullish on Trump and bullish on crypto. I have been excited about Trump's embrace of crypto, and I think it fits very well with the Republican Party and the ethos of it. He says, crypto is about freedom and the crypto economy is here to stay. He said in an interview, crypto is bringing in young people who have not participated in markets. And for those of you guys who don't know, I did show this clip in a video I did last week. I'm just going to play it as a refresher. This, again, is Scott Bessent. Listen to this.
I've been excited about the president's embrace of crypto, and I think it fits very well with the Republican Party, the ethos of crypto is about freedom, and the crypto economy is here to stay. The Democrats are running from it because they're trying to wash off the stench of Sam Bankman-Fried and his family's donations to the Democratic Party. So they're willing to take down a whole industry because of bad behavior on their part, bad behavior on one actor. And I think that everything's on the table with Bitcoin. And to me, one of the most exciting things about Bitcoin is for a generation of investors who maybe post the great financial crisis have been looking for investment opportunities, or maybe they'd soured on markets. Crypto is bringing in young people. It's bringing in the people who haven't participated in markets, and having a market culture in the U.S. and people believing that markets work for them is a centerpiece of capitalism.
So let's change the face of finance and the economy and investing, and let's make it so that young people have confidence in the system again, bringing in crypto. And, he says it's about freedom. So that is positive news. Even Brad Garlinghouse did come out and say, I don't want to get too far ahead of myself, but Scott Bessent is the perfect pick by Donald Trump. He will be the most pro-innovation, pro-crypto Treasury Secretary we have seen. And guys, that coming directly from Brad. So boom goes the dynamite. I gotta say, even Sistine Research is now very bullish on XRP, guys, saying XRP is the only coin with an above 0% chance of flipping BTC. You take that into consideration. You think about Ethereum, you think about Solana, other cryptocurrencies. They're saying XRP is the only one. Combatron down here checking out this tweet in ChatGPT. The statement in the image suggests that XRP is the only coin with a non-zero probability of surpassing Bitcoin market dominance. Basically saying, there's a small chance, but not entirely impossible. This claim reflects a belief in XRP's potential due to its unique features or market position, often associated with its utility in financial systems and partnerships with institutions. Well, some are also commenting on this. I happen to see, where was it here? Yeah, it was down here from Sal. He posted this, apparently XRP, and I don't think this is true, actually. Apparently XRP did already flip Bitcoin back a couple of bull runs ago. That was when XRP was trading in and around $2.46. I thought I'd take it upon myself because I don't think that's true. I think somebody has doctored that image. If we take, and if I'm wrong, please somebody send me the link. But if we take the XRP bull run of 2017, 2018, and we just take a look in and around that time when XRP did hit a new all-time high. So that was at the beginning of January. We can see it right over here. The market cap was still only 130.8 billion compared to Bitcoin's 276.6 billion, and that was when the price was over $3.37. But if I take, for sake of argument, let's just take some other numbers here. And so the week after, XRP dropped down to number 3. And if we take a week before that, XRP was at number 2, but it was still way under Bitcoin at 89.1 billion. So I don't know, guys. If I'm wrong, please do put it down in the comments section. That's not to say that I don't think it could happen again. Crypto's here posting this, and we have only just begun. Check this out. So maybe XRP could, in fact, flip Bitcoin after all. 5 years of resistance, and guys, now we are here. I had to check this out for myself as well. So I brought up the XRP dominance chart, and right over here, you can see this is the 5 minute, but I'm going to throw it on the Let me throw it on the weekly to show you guys. I've already thrown the line on there. As you guys can see, the trend line moving downward all the way from May of 2017 when XRP did show the most dominance over Bitcoin. You can see by this point, there was no other real time. I mean, we've wicked up above the trend line here. But guys, the month is almost over, and it's looking as though we could, in fact, flip the trend for XRP dominance over Bitcoin. I don't know. XRP still looking very, very bullish, trading at $1.55 today, and I think that is still the beginning. But for more information on when I'm selling, guys, I've got the first part up of my cash out strategy over there at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. Again, it is only $5 a month. That price will be going up soon. If you get in now, you will be grandfathered in. But that's just my opinion. I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.